So today's plan... Oh, well. Today's plan is to actually finish the game. Hopefully.
Yeah.
Usually when we say that, we actually don't
do not.
finish it because we are not as prepared as we thought. But today, I think we are prepared. We've kind of, off camera, we've holded things, and we've also upgraded some of our weapons. I have a golden katana, for example.
Yeah, and I have golden eggs.
Yeah, and I think we only need to go to the VIP bunker and just go and finish it.
Yeah.
So let's just craft everything we will need. Let's, take as much food and stuff as possible. And
Okay, and so
we'll
what do we
go.
need?
I'm going to make explosive arrows.
Okay. And me, what should I do? I have only one grenade.
Oof, if only one grenade. We did not hold grenades because, we were upgrading weapons, and we did not know that a horde of mutants will spawn and attack you when you upgrade something. So we were kind of startled at first, and we were doing poorly. Later on, it was better, but still,
Yeah.
it was interesting. Do we have some spare batteries?
If they are not home, then I don't
And
think
this is
so.
how prepared we are. Always, I swear to God. And I thought we actually have batteries, and we don't.
We can go into the 3D printer.
Yeah, we can. We
Yeah.
totally can. Take meds, definitely.
Yeah, I have.
Okay, so let's go there, and then go, shoo. And then we can...
She wanted to give you away.
I'm sorry, thank you. Let's go. Yeah, this is what happened
and
after...
This is our two friends, new two friends, and Virginia. They're horrible. They're so horrible. And
I
they
thought
are
for a
never-
while to stand them right to the window, so it will peek out, but we would both freak out, so...
Yeah.
Can
Another.
I unequip some armor? Whoa,
Why?
Who you?
Stop! Stop here. Beautiful. Okay. Maybe some arrows. Do you have some arrows?
Arrow?
Yeah.
Like right now?
Yeah.
I mean, I do. Why? Do you need some?
I don't know. I need to look. If I
Can
have
I-
some.
Can I...
I do not have one 3D printed.
Oh, then
Really?
we definitely need to go 3D print some.
Yeah.
Do you have?
What?
No. Can I unequip armor somehow? Is that
I
possible?
don't think so.
And isn't it like, when I equip this one?
Maybe.
Yeah. And I unequip it now. Yeah.
Mm.
Hi.
Hello.
Hi.
Yeah.
No, me no. Not
You know-
me. Oh, you have a mesh printing, by the way. Oh, do you have all of the mesh we need actually?
Maybe not. I have 6, yeah. We wanted to print another 4.
That much to our preparations.
So we need to print and then
Yeah, but you need 3 meshes. 750 milliliters. So
I
no
have-
arrows then.
Oh,
Okay, take these arrows. I do have some, so take these.
what are you doing? I'm gonna kick you in
I'm
the
repairing.
ass. I'm gonna kick you in the ass.
But you are old in this game. I have to repair.
Really? Look,
What?
I have
Oh no!
gold.
No!
Run for your life!
You have to take that mesh, Just do
Gonna
you
take
wanna?
No. Okay. have. I'm gonna kick you. What are you?
That wasn't me. That wasn't me.
I
That.
have four. I have. It's okay. It's okay. I have enough. I need.
Do you know how many arrows we could have had? I'm gonna kick you so bad. Oh yeah. Okay.
And I need batteries too. Yeah, and go straight. And then we will see. Which way?
You told me to go straight.
Yeah, but I was thinking like road straight. No, right. Like.
But there wasn't straight road. There was.
Yeah.
No, there was like.
Look. There is a road.
We were here,
Yeah.
and either left or right, and you told me straight. So I thought like.
No, like left is like straight.
Yeah, we have batteries.
Oh, I have two.
Good.
Okay, so I'm going home
Go home.
and we can go.
Yeah. We can go straight from here. Whee.
What?
I just healed myself, and I fell down from the rope, and I'm back where I was.
Beautiful, beautiful. I have full armor.
You have?
Yeah.
How does it look?
How do I look? I don't
Wait.
know.
I'll just.
It's horrible.
Wait, me too.
Beautiful. You are
That
shining.
looks so
You are
dumb.
shining.
We look like those testing figurines or
Yeah.
whatever. Dummies. GPS.
Okay, so go left. Alright.
Oh, there's rope.
I
Look.
You're
I can
shining.
see you.
Me too.
Oh, your booty. That is awesome.
I'm back. Oh, how?
What are you doing?
Wait.
Woo, man. Look.
Oh.
Look. He's normal. Oh, this is horrible.
Yeah.
Of course. Here.
Yeah.
Oh, then maybe this way. Oh, and there's a glider.
Glider.
Yes.
What?
No?
I'm coming.
Oh no, my knee. Okay, so let's go. Hopefully we have everything.
Yeah. Eat something.
Yeah, eat, drink, sleep, everything.
Safe.
Yeah, we should totally save.
I think.
Here? Oh. Here's something. Oh, this looks familiar. We were in something similar.
Yeah.
Oh, hello, batteries, which I cannot
Now.
take.
Now.
Perfect. Yes, exactly.
Okay.
Oh, blood.
Okay, there's
Oh, no.
nothing. What?
Oh no, blood.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Left or right?
I don't know.
Let's go right.
Okay.
Oh! Oh! Oh man!
I really don't remember this. I do not see.
I leave to Virginia Puffton, if they shall survive me, for they own absolutely my entire estate of big number, very big number.
Blow yourself up in daughter's room. Blow yourself up right there. What? There's some. There is the dress.
Oh,
I really want dress.
yeah. And we still do not have all of those, you know.
But
there are no more. Yeah, but no achievement clicked. What are we missing?
I don't know. Gold.
Oh, wait.
To here to Gold City. Will heal us. Oh.
This is perfect. I want this in like in our home future. Okay. Oh, let's see.
光线充足，距离其他客人中，一切都能让你在这里实现。
Whoa. Okay. Okay. Another. Hi, Barbara. It was great to see you last night. It's so bizarre that Ed built this place based on some crazy vision he had. I'm so sorry you have to deal with this. Let's meet again soon. Doris. Note. Also Doris. Barbara. While I appreciate you confiding in me, I don't know what you are talking about. This is not what we thought we were getting into. We don't know anything about star patterns. This is not a luxury retreat. It's a 3-hour walk to the golf course.
Okay.
If that was the only problem, that was actually amazing. Damn.
Ooh.
Oh, you can do that.
There is someone. What are you thinking?
There's got to be a way to open this. A key. Something.
There's a hand of yours, maybe. Oh, another note. What is that?
I don't know.
Oh my goodness.
What?
Here. Oh, my hand. Oh my goodness, my hand. It's in my hand.
That's
No.
horrible.
Oh,
No.
No?
We're missing something.
man! No, we're missing something? Okay, what
we
are we missing?
But we
What to do now?
forget something?
Like the music goes like and nothing happens.
Can I try to...
Yeah, go. What are
Your
we missing?
No.
Oh,
What?
there was sky.
Your
hanging.
arm?
My arm?
No.
Oh my.
Maybe your arm. Wait.
No. What are we supposed to do?
Do I have some arm inside? There's only leg. And another leg.
Oh, are you kidding?
Hmm.
Okay, we need to go out.
Why?
So do you remember the blueprint we've got right now?
Right now?
Yes.
Yeah.
We need to build it. Put our golden armor into it, and then there will be a raid because it will upgrade the armor. Yes, as we are upgrading weapons. And we need to survive it, and then we can go back, and then in that upgraded armor we can actually come,
Really?
Yeah, come. Oh, goodness gracious. So this.
What do we need for that?
We need stones. So
Stone.
somewhere near
There's
stone.
sheep.
Oh,
Traps.
yeah.
Okay, bones. 30. We need 17.
We need.
How many? 1. Kidding me.
Okay.
Okay, I need to go. Okay. Do we have some bones?
Yeah, I don't have a skull.
Yeah.
Do you have one, please?
No.
Are you kidding? There was no skull? Really?
I didn't want to, but I tried.
There's a skull, yes.
One? Are you kidding me?
A battery, please? Oh
What?
no, 4 batteries. You are kidding.
No,
You're kidding.
wow.
You're kidding. You're kidding. You're. And we need to do it probably 2 times, right?
What?
That upgrade, because like for you and for me. Or like, do we only need like 1 to
I don't
enter?
know. But maybe you can only open the door and
Well,
it'll be
hopefully
okay.
then. 3 batteries. Okay, only one more. 4. Okay, we are good.
Yeah. you
Calvin,
can-
go hide. My ramen?
Beautiful.
What?
He hide.
Calvin.
How many? Okay.
I almost thought like, one more. Okay. Oh my goodness.
What? What happened?
Oh my goodness again.
What
Oh
happened?
no. Me and trap. Okay, from where? From where? Oh, they're coming. Your side, your right. Oh no, Kelvin, run! Oh, you dumbass! No, Kelvin, no! Oh no, 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 no! Please not skinny, please not skinny, please not skinny, please not. Another one, another one. Okay, I have enough. Enough! Come to my katana. You. Can you? Go and take something. Okay. Oh. Okay.
Okay.
We're good. We're
Yeah.
good.
Yeah.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. This
Okay.
was interesting. Ever since when?
Why now? Why
Ouch.
now? Why? Ay.
Good?
Oh,
Good.
yeah.
Okay, let's go. Please work.
Yeah.
Please. Oh, yes. Oh my goodness.
Stay close.
Stay close, but don't run so quickly. Hello. Oh, golden crosses. Interesting.
Oh.
And we are here. Let's go. Oh, we didn't really have this guy running
No,
around
no.
last time. Child from the last game, please don't be so
Wait
quick.
for us.
Yes. If he will help us at that boss fight, that would be absolutely perfect.
Daddy, yes.
Yeah. Don't come near me. And I wonder whether we can also maybe upgrade the cross.
Great cross?
Yeah, Like it would be really funny to like kill them with golden cross, you know?
Yeah. Beautiful.
Right.
I really don't
This-
remember
this.
this
Ooh.
part.
I don't
Ooh.
remember it really in this,
Yeah.
like
It
this
was-
looking. It was a little bit different, definitely.
Yeah, yeah.
Oh, we should go definitely down.
This way?
Yeah,
No, this
down
way?
here. No, where?
Here?
Well, well, yeah. I would basically get here. Oh, here. Oh, this is horrible. This? I would never dare to cross this in real life. Oh, what is that? Oh, demon. Demon. Oh. Cook. Cook. You are cooked, guys. Oh, he spawned right in front of me.
Beautiful. Ay, 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 ay. This part.
This is that part?
No? Or something similar.
Isn't it too small for that part? Or
What?
oh, nothing.
It's right.
Oh, here. Oh, definitely. Where?
This right way. But there is something too.
Yeah.
But there's around. Okay. I'm gonna look here if there is something or not.
So here? Oh god. Oh god.
Oh god.
It's here.
Oh.
Let's go.
Big one?
Yeah, big one. It's here. He's fighting. He's fighting. Oh my goodness. And small ones also.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Whoa! Where did it go?
I don't know.
Oh, let's go. Let's go.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
No, no, he's here. He's here. Oh! Oh my. Right in the ass.
Reload,
Oh no.
reload, reload. Help, help.
Reloading, reloading. Come on, reload.
I really don't remember him so big.
I actually remember him much bigger.
Really?
Yeah. Oh no. Come on. No? Okay, I don't have any more ammo.
Me
Maybe
too.
this one?
Me too, me too. Burn, burn. Really?
Not me! Reloading.
Burn yourself. Yeah, 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 yeah. Maybe one.
Whoa,
Oh,
no, 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 no. Okay, okay. No, 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 no. Don't be foolish, don't be foolish. Don't do that. Oh. Oh. Oh, that was easy actually. Hello. Can't take armor. Or put on some and then we'll take it.
Okay, okay.
Okay. I actually remember him much bigger and that it took us much longer. But I'm grateful, I'm grateful.
Yeah, yeah,
so
yeah.
What?
I don't know.
I don't know.
I was thinking that you spawn.
Oh, I thought that you lagged.
No,
oh,
no,
you know.
no. It's only maybe.
No. 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 Okay, so little technical problems
Yeah,
as
yeah,
always.
yeah, yeah.
Save and we can go.
Okay. So where now? This way, there.
There.
It's out.
I don't think so. No, it seems
Oh.
like another part of
Okay.
okay, some meds. Oh, I can take some. Lots of ammo. Yes, we need that. Thank you.
Oh,
Thank you.
oh.
Thank you. Thank you. Ammo. Oh my goodness. Perfect. Perfect. This is the best. I don't need more. No, I need more. Maybe I can sticky bomb make one more.
didn't find something like that before.
Oh my goodness, this is the end.
This is the end.
Totally. Let's
Okay.
go.
Let's go. It's gonna be interesting.
Yeah.
It's time.
What's that?
No, 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 no.
Bless you. Thank you. Oh!
Who was the third one?
That was that guy from the beginning, right? Who
Oh.
knocked us out with gun. What is happening?
What's that?
Oh, I don't remember this really.
Me too.
I mean, there was some stuff about
Yeah,
another
yeah,
dimension, but like, what is this?
I've seen this before.
Oh, you did?
I saw it in a dream.
Oh no. Ew, those are those.
Oh no, why?
Okay, no, another dimension, I don't know.
No.
This was supposed to fix me. It's making me worse.
Oh.
That is
Oh no.
you.
Oh no. Oh no.
Oh, you do. Oh no.
This
Oh no. What's wrong with you? No, no. Did she die?
Why? She didn't die before. No?
I thought she survived.
Yeah.
Oh, here it is.
Oh, no.
Oh, so that's not this guy. That's that ew hangy thing from the ceiling guy.
Yeah.
Oh, that head is horrible. That head is absolutely disgusting. Okay, let chaos unleash. This is gonna be interesting.
What was in the cube? What was in the
It's helping us?
Yeah. But not anymore. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh no 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 no
What,
no.
what, what?
Oh. Oh no no no. No 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 no. No no no.
Can you please?
Okay, I'm reloading. I'm reloading. I'm reloading. Oh no 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 no.
No, 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 no.
I'm throwing sticky bomb.
Okay. Is
Wait, that's it? That was
was
way
so
easier than
easy.
before. That was way easier.
Yeah.
Well, maybe because we have actually upgraded guns.
Yeah,
That
maybe.
is true. That it was probably that hard because we haven't had upgraded guns.
You made it. You're okay. Oh God, they're coming.
That is that Puffton
Getting
guy, or
closer.
am I
We have to
dumb?
leave.
I don't know.
No, Puffton is dead.
Get in.
Yeah.
No, that is dead. That is us from the first forest.
Yeah, maybe.
Oh my goodness.
Don't go near it.
And what if I go?
Don't touch it.
Oh, sorry.
It wants you to
So
stay.
what?
Don't listen to
We
it.
go here.
Oh, this is the decision, right? We can either stay or
Yeah.
like go. So in the very first time we've played this, we've actually stayed on the island.
Yeah,
So let's
Come on, get back here.
Let's go
where?
here.
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 Okay, let's go. Oh, another achievement. Perfect. Good job.
Oh, so many.
Go, Virginia, go. Oh, she has shotgun. That's so cool. Oh, they're trying to, you know, make us stay, right?
Yeah.
Kelvin! Yes! Virginia, everyone. Oh, Virginia is alive, by the way.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Oh no, oh no. Oh no.
Let's go.
Ay, ay, ay. Okay. Oh, no, 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 no.
Oh yes. Let's go. Perfection.
That
We've
was
done
interesting.
it.
What's
Oh, we
this?
haven't seen this.
No, it wasn't there before.
No, we haven't had this ending because we chose to stay on the island.
Oh yeah.
I need your help.
I've told you I can't help you.
And what about with this?
Oh, and now you're interested. Oh my goodness, he's turning. Oh, poor guy. Oh, Calvin.
Brain injury ward.
Yeah. Oh my. Oh, okay. Hello.
What?
Oh my goodness, she has 2 legs. And she's pregnant? What is this? What the hell?
How are these person?
What the hell? What the hell was that?
So,
I have no words.
yeah, me too.
So poor Calvin has brain
Miracle
injury.
cure. Yeah. Solidified. Discover miracle cure using solidified.
Oh,
Maybe there.
so
there's
maybe
gonna be-
Timmy. Timmy is the kid? Is that guy with her?
Yeah.
Right? So he's
Start
okay.
maturity to cure disease using solidified.
Oh, so maybe he's okay now. Whoa, whoa! This ending is much more like. That was a twist. I did not expect us and Virginia having a child.
Yeah.
Like,
And
hi, hello.
Calvin.
Yeah, and we have Calvin. This poor guy has brain injury, but he's our guy. He's our Calvin. Oh, he bought that island.
Oh,
That island. He's gone missing. Oh no 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 no! What is
Why
this plot
again?
twist? What is happening? Maybe he went to that another dimension?
maybe.
Another world? Maybe he actually transported through that cube thing.
Yeah.
Ah, this is amazing.
Why he cannot go like that first time that happened there?
I don't know. There's totally some explanation we didn't get.
Yeah. Extreme.
We can just, just.
Yeah.